all this we have understood that attitude is not, attitude is an umbrella, right? It's not a one single thing. It is an umbrella of so many other characteristics, or as Apparao said, personal traits, right? So the way you communicate with others, meaning the way you share your feelings with others, the way you connect with others, the way you carry yourself, the way you behave, the way you think about others and other things. So attitude is internal. It's all your own characteristics. Situation, Sandeep said situation and time. Situation and time both are external. So whatever the situation may be outside, out of your control, how do you behave and react in those external situations? And the times, good times, bad times. Do you remain the same or you keep changing? Right? So if you say that I have a positive attitude, so whether it is cloudy or sunny outside, you are going to be positive. Because every cloud has a silver line. So even when there are clouds, you don't look at the cloud, but you look at that silver line. Right? So whatever the situation outside, whatever the time outside, your internal state remains positive and strong. Right now we are fighting Corona. Are we broken? Have we lost hope and faith? No, we are still hopeful, we are still strong, and we are still positive, and we know that things are going to change soon. Right? So that's the attitude, that's the strong attitude a person may have. That's the positive attitude a person may have, which is not dependent on what is happening outside. Right? If I am positive, if I think positive, I want to stay positive, I will always be positive. Yes, at times the situations are very bad. For a day or two, I might get a little low. But I'll get up quickly, I'll get up fast. Right? I don't just find a reason not to perform. I just don't find a reason to be negative. I am a human being. My emotions are natural. Situations outside can be very difficult for me to manage, but I will manage. I will not break down. I will be sad for a while, I'll be low for a while, but I will not break down. Yeah, because a strong attitude will always have a lot of hope and faith that this too shall pass. We have this quote, right? This too shall pass. And if you have this attitude, you will sail through all situations in your life.